All right, guys, today I want to do a quick review on my LED magnetic strobe lights for vehicles. So I'm going to show you kind of how they work, and then we'll put them on top of the car so you can see how they are in action. So this is what it looks like when you first get them. This is the 14-inch, like I said. And right back here, which is cool, is you can charge them just right through there. And it comes with the charger. Charge it up, you'll be good to go. And I also like that it comes with the car lighter charger, so that way if you're on the go you can turn it on as well. This button, this red button, is the one that'll activate the lights. Let's see, so this one is the white and orange one. So here's one of them, here's another different variation of that. Let's see. Oh, how cool is that? So you can see there's many variations of the way the lights will be coming up. And then if you just hold it like that, it'll turn off. So what's really cool is these are magnetic. So literally we're just gonna set it on the car and be good. So let's try that out. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put both of these on top of the vehicle just so you can see how easy it is with the magnets that are on here and how strong those magnets are. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire both of these up. They are different colors, but all good. All right, yeah, there we go. Let's change it up on this, let's see. Let's see this one. All right, that's how we'll put it on there. It's like on there, it's really stuck. And this one, just for the sake of the video, we'll put it right over here. And they are good to go. As you can see, really, really bright lights. And what I do like is that it's got up to like 30 hours of like lifetime once they're fully charged. So again, if you're looking for some good, reliable emergency lights, highly recommend these. 10 out of 10.